So today I'm visiting Home Depot in Flagstaff, Arizona. That's northern Arizona. I want to see their plant department. I want to see what kind of plants they have. And honestly, the plant department was a little rough. Messy, understaffed, plants drying out. But then I saw this plant sitting there and I knew I had to have it. I couldn't leave it behind. I chose this one, but man, it's beat up. If I didn't buy this plant, you know what happens here at Home Depot. They throw them away. So I had to take a chance and bring it home with me. The crazy thing is, they actually had some really nice plants here. Probably one of the better indoor selections I've seen at a Home Depot. But the conditions just didn't match the plants. You could tell the employees were trying. Everyone was very nice, but it felt like they were overwhelmed. And some of these plants needed help fast. Normally when a plant looks like this, they'll mark it down 15%, but they wouldn't discount this one at all. Honestly though, I bought it anyway. I just didn't want to see it get thrown away. So now I'm going to bring the plant home and get her healthy again and see what happens. And that's why I like coming to all these different stores. You never really know what you're going to find. And if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. It really does help out my small channel. And also leave a comment. I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.